Hey, this is Randy from Funeral Funds of America, and in this video, we're going to talk about the actual cost for $20,000 worth of burial, cremation, final expense, life insurance, funeral funds for a 55-year-old male. Now, I want to let you know right away, you can go on our website, and just about every page on our website, we've got these quoters on here, and you can just click on this and you can check out any coverage amount you want on our website right here. We provide that free of charge. And then also in the comment section of this video, we're going to have a special quoter. It's funeralfunds.com/YouTube. And we'll have a special YouTube quoter there with discounts that you can qualify for. And also, if you do need to get in touch with us, our toll-free number is up here, 888-862-9456. Now, the first thing you want to ask yourself if you were looking for $20,000 worth of insurance at age 55 is that going to be enough? So most people are going to be either buried or cremated. And for a cremation, yeah, $20,000 is going to be more than enough. It's never going to be a worry. In fact, you'd probably be a little bit overinsured, and we don't recommend that. We would rather you keep more money in your own pocket, really get just what you need for kind of the task that you want taken care of at the end of your life, whether that's burial or cremation. Now, if you're going to be buried at age 55, $20,000 is probably right in there, $15,000 to $20,000, because what happens is the price goes up over time due to inflation. So although the average cost of a burial right now is around $10,000, we know that's going to go up in price over time. But also, we know that people's budgets are restricted, kind of just money's tight, right? So if you could only afford $10,000 right now, which would pay for a burial, you walk in pretty much any place in the United States, hand them a $10,000 check, they'll take care of it for you. It may not be fancy, but they'll take care of it for you. If all you could afford is $10,000 right now, get that. We can always help you add more coverage later, and you're locking in your current rates at your youngest age right now. So that's a smart way to do it. But also, if you've got the money and you just want to take care of it all at once, $20,000 for a burial, you probably would never have to worry about this again. So just keep that in mind. Now, one thing to be aware of is first aid coverage. And we always recommend you get first aid coverage. 95% of the people we help are going to qualify for first aid coverage. The only reason you wouldn't qualify for first aid coverage is if you had like a terminal illness or dementia, or you're on dialysis or in a hospital or a nursing home. The other thing that unfortunately we calls frequently from are people that say, hey, we had a family member pass away this last week. They didn't have any insurance. We don't have any money. We need to get this insurance right away on them. And, we can make our first payment today and then you can pay for the funeral. Well, unfortunately, the way this insurance works is you got to be alive to qualify for it. We can't get life insurance, burial, cremation, final expense, funeral funds insurance for somebody who's already dead. And it's really sad to tell people that because they're struggling, but it's just a great reminder that you need to get this insurance before you actually need it. Because once you're gone, it's too late. So the other thing we really want to caution you on is avoiding 2-year waiting period plans. Because, why would you buy a plan that's going to force you to wait 2 years? And if you die in that first 2 years, they're only going to give you your money back in premiums plus a small percentage. We don't recommend that. One of the biggest companies out there that, has a 2-year waiting period is Colonial Penn. Now, they've got the $9.95 plan, and a lot of people see the commercials on TV, and they go, oh, $9.95, I'm going to get $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. Because those commercials sound terrific, don't they? Oh, my gosh, they are great marketers. But when you look at it at age 55 here, how much is one unit, which is $9.95, right? $9.95, that's one unit. That's only going to buy $1,420. What is that going to do for you? That's hardly going to pay for a cremation. Much less, Colonial Penn's not going to pay out for 2 years. And in 2 years, $1,420 is not going to be worth $1,420 due to inflation. So it may barely pay for a cremation now, but it won't in the future. So just, oh man, great marketing. But so many people feel like they've been deceived, and it doesn't really take care of what people want to do for $9.95. So again, we're talking about $20,000, and So Colonial Penn would, you'd have to get 14 units, and that would be 9,808. Let's just round that up and say it's 20,000, right? So that's $140. Now, if that seems expensive to you at age 55, I think that'd be pretty common. People would go, oh, that's pretty expensive. But what could you get $20,000 worth with a company that offers first day coverage? Let's go take a look. And this is the exact quoter that you'll have access to see all the different insurance companies. It's the one we use to help people. So $20,000 male, age 55 right here. Let's see what that's going to cost. Again, let's go back here, $139, Colonial Penn. Let's see if we can beat that with first day coverage. So Trinity Life Insurance Company here, great company. We work with them. We can help you get these rates. That'd be $62. And again, Colonial Penn's $139. You are literally paying 200% more to go with the Colonial Penn policy, and they're going to make you wait 2 years. You know, you'd never buy a car if you couldn't drive it for 2 years. You'd never buy a house if you couldn't live in it for 2 years. Why would you get a policy that won't pay out in the first 2 years and pay 200% more? So this here says simplified issue level. Level means first day coverage. So 62. Let's look at a couple other companies really quickly here and see what they say. Let's see. Oh, like here, Lincoln Heritage, great company. They've got really high prices though. Again, this is first day coverage. But what Lincoln Heritage does is they say, hey, you know, when you do pass away, we'll save your family some grief. And we'll call 2-3 different places to get the lowest pricing and all that stuff and take care of that. And it's nice that they do that, but it's built into the price. So again, $96, almost $100. And we come down to this other company here, and they're $62. So that's $35 more a month. Let's say conservatively $30 a month. It's easier math on me. That's $360 extra a year. So it's probably close to $400 a year. And, you know, at age 55, if you live another 10 years, you'll overpay $4,000 just with the higher rates alone. So is it worth, think about it, is it worth somebody making 3 phone calls and charging you $4,000 for that privilege? Because you're going to pay that higher premium, that 90-some dollars for the rest of your life, And that's just a lot of money. A couple other companies, let's see if there's anybody else here. Oh, Lumico, they advertise a lot. And $83. $83 versus another company that would charge you $62. Why would you pay $200 more a year, $2,400, $2,000, $2,000 every 10 years? If you live another 20 years, that's $4,000. Why would you overpay that? We'd rather see you keep that money in your own pocket and use that money to, invest in your family, invest in some good times. Use that money to create memories for your family rather than give that money to an insurance company executive to create memories with their family. So, all right. We hope we've given you some insight there. Again, you can go to our website, use our quoters here anytime you want, and we'll have a link in the comments section, funeralfunds.com/YouTube. That's our special quoter. You can get some discounts there. And then also in the comments, we're going to have videos for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and $25,000. So you can watch those videos too. If you want to talk with somebody, we're licensed in all 50 states. Just dial our toll-free number, 888-862-9456. But we'll be here to help you. If you're not ready right now, we can just kind of help you understand your options. And if you are ready, we can take care of you. We get people insured, and we get them same-day approvals. So when you're ready, just reach out to us. Until then, we wish you the best. Stay safe, take care, and we will be here for you. Amen. Bye-bye.